This video shows an example of how to use the SUMIFS function with a date range. The SUMIFS function is used in column H to calculate the total transactions amounts per asset for purchases made between January 1st and April 30th. In the SUMIF function, the sum range is the last component of the formula. In the SUMIFS function, the sum range is the first component and is then followed by the criteria. A maximum of 127 criteria can be in a SUMIFS function. In this example, there are three criteria. The first is to match the asset number in column G to column A. The second is where the purchase date in column B is greater than or equal to January 1st. And the third is where the purchase date in column B is less than or equal to April 30th. Criteria for dates where the formula is trying to find the results with a date range must be entered where the options for greater than or less than, or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to are entered inside quotation marks and joined to the date reference using an ampersand. The ampersand is used as a concatenation operator to join text strings, numbers, or cell references into a single value.